This video is about solving multi-step equations. So first we're going to solve using the distributive property. So remember the distributive property, when there's parentheses, we need to distribute the number outside the parentheses. So we're going to multiply both terms by 4. So 4 times 2x is 8x, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12 equals negative 44. So the next step to get x by itself is we're going to add 12 to both sides, and we get 8x equals negative 32. And then we can divide by 8 on both sides, so x equals negative 4. In number 11, when we're distributing, there's a negative sign touching the parentheses, so we're going to distribute a negative 1. So all that's going to do is switch the signs of what's in the parentheses. So now we have negative 3x plus 7. So in order to solve, first we need to add or subtract something away from the x, so we're going to subtract 7 on both sides. Negative 18 equals negative 3x squared. Then we can divide by negative 3, so x equals 6. The next two problems we're going to solve by combining like terms. So there's a couple of terms that look the same that need to be combined together. When we are combining the 5x and the negative 3x, we're going to use the signs they have. So 5x minus 3x is 2x. So we have negative 2 equals 2x minus 2. Then to solve, we're going to add 2 on both sides because it's being subtracted from the x. So we get 2x equals 0. When the number is written right next to the x, that's multiplication. So the inverse is division. So we're going to divide by 2 on both sides, and we get x is 0. Remember, 0 divided by any number is just 0. Number 4, we have negative 8x minus 2x, which gets us negative 10x. Minus 8 equals 52. So to solve for x, we're going to add 8 on both sides. Negative 10x equals 60. Divide by negative 10. So x is negative 6. Now in the last two problems, we're going to combine both operations together. So first we're going to distribute. Remember, you are distributing what is touching the parentheses. So the negative is touching the parentheses, so we're going to distribute that. So 10 stays as 10. And then we switch the signs. Minus 4x plus 4 equals 50. This time we have two constants, 10 and 4, that can be combined together. So we get negative 4x plus 14 equals 50. So to solve, we're going to subtract by 14 on both sides. Negative 4x equals 36. When we divide by negative 4, we get x is negative 9. Number 6. The thing touching the parentheses to start is 5, so we're going to multiply both things by 5. So negative 13 equals 15x minus 40 plus 12. So again, we have two constants. Negative 40 plus 12 is 28. So we get negative 13 equals 15x minus 28. We can add 28 to both sides. 15 equals 15x. So when we divide by 15, we get x equals 1.